Hello, it's a good evening here in Uganda, Africa. We have this recipe. We are going to prepare our cake. Those are the ingredients which we are going to use. We have wheat flour, there is eggs, we have some sugar, we have milk, there is also cooking oil. So here is our oven. Here is our oven, is also heating. So we are going to use sun to cook our cake. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end. For the new viewers, you are highly welcome, and the returning ones, we really appreciate. Let's prepare our cake. Continue supporting the channel so that the channel grows. So let's mix our ingredients. We are going to begin. We have only 4 eggs which we are going to use. Our cake is not all that big. We have here 4 eggs. We are going to be adding sugar. That's enough. Let's whisk these 2 ingredients. Then after we'll be adding cooking oil. Let's add in some cooking oil. So let's add in our already measure. This is our baking powder. Let's add in some few milk. As we continue whisking, please. We need to get a soft cake. So stay tuned and watch our video. Our oven is here on fire. It's also heating. Stay tuned. Let's mix our dough, our cake mixture. Then I'll be showing you another process of cooking our cake. Stay tuned. So as you can see, our mixture is now ready. This is our cake. When you want your cake to be soft, you need also to mix your dough with a few ingredients like flour. The flour must be minimum. As you can see, our flour is now ready. We are going to cook our cake. This is our oven also is here heating. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end. So it's now time to cook our cake. Let's organize. So our oven is here. So it's now time. The remaining one will be making our cupcakes, so stay tuned. Let's cook our cake. We are using oven. It's just so oven is here doing a great job. Stay tuned and watch this video until the end. We see our end result. Please stay tuned. Continue supporting the channel by viewing our videos, liking, drop sweet comments. Let's prepare our cake. We have it's a cake without electric oven. As you can see, our cake is here also. We are cooking well. Let's check the progress. I think you can see it's doing great. Our oven is a real oven, electronic oven. This is what we normally use here. We use a saucepan, charcoal stove. There is also sand inside. So let's prepare our soft vanilla cake. I will put the ingredients in the description box, please. Let's wait for the results. Our cake is there doing well. Our oven is doing a miracle. Let's wait for the cake to cook. So let's check the progress of our cake. As you can see, our cake is there doing well. We can't miss to test a cake because of electric oven. We need to use our local oven here, which is saucepan. There is sand and charcoal stove. So as you can see, let's check the progress of our cake. Our cake is almost ready. Our oven is going to mess our cake, but as you can see, our cake is there ready almost. So our cake is ready. Let's remove it from the oven. Let it cool first. Stay tuned and watch our video until the end. Let it cool. Then we will be showing you the process of cutting it and eat it. Cut and eat, cake lovers. So our mixture was a lot, so let's make our cupcake also. Let's see how many are we going to get. Cakes are here. As you can see, our cupcake is also cooking well. Our oven is doing a great job. So please, as you can see, this is our cake. Our cake is now ready. guys, this is what we've managed to get. Very soft, very soft, as you can see. Come, we enjoy together. Thank you for staying with us. Thank you for watching. This is our cupcake also. Our cupcakes are also ready, as you can see. Let's prepare our tea. Come, we enjoy. For the new viewers, we really appreciate for stopping by to our channel. Continue supporting the channel to grow. See you in the next video. Bye bye.